What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Good morning and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to another video on Ethereum, which we haven't covered in quite some time. And I thought it would be valuable, first of all, because I think Ethereum is my biggest holding at this point of time. So quick disclosure, still I do think I can be objective about it. Apart from that, I think it's a great project, obviously, because I have invested in it. And the last couple of days, me and some other people from the community, we were talking about it quite a lot in Discord. If you want to join that discussion, or if you just wanted to join the Discord, the link is down in the description. But we were discussing some levels, the short and long, and I thought it would be interesting to also do a more in-depth analysis about it. Today, obviously, after we are down a little bit, but yesterday we were actually relatively bullish. You can see that we had a big move up to 1275. I shorted a little bit from 1250, which is in profit now. I don't think we have reached TP yet, but if we take a look at the chart, what you can see is we have dropped down and we have reached that upper bound, because the formation you can kind of see right now, which is pretty interesting, because we could also see that with Bitcoin. But Bitcoin hasn't reached that top yet at 22,000. Ethereum is kind of consolidating, right, between 1275 ultimately and 1000, big psychological support level. So what I expect, and that's the only thing we can expect in a bear market, I think, is that we will find some support at 1170, or basically this level between 1180 and 1160. Some support there, but just to take a break retest off of 1230. Drop down to 1120 and then slowly start to trend down towards 1000, which is a level I do think will hold. I think we'll hold this whole consolidation, and I think this level is strong enough to actually make us go up again, and somewhere we might have the chance to have a bullish breakout. So I think this is the most likely scenario, but that's purely based on technical analysis, right? Because everything, the EMAs, how the price is moving, everything comes down to a consolidation, at least on the 4-hour time frame. We have reached the top of this consolidation. We've taken a big bearish move. We've dropped down below. We didn't take a break retest of 1230, which you can see if we zoom in is a support level. We broke above that. We didn't have it as support. Maybe if you zoom into the 15-minute, yeah, very minimal support. So that's bearish too. But I do want to talk about the possibility of a bullish breakout, because, and I said that in the beginning of the video, and it was actually, I think we should spend a little bit more time on it than what I did, is that Bitcoin is actually in kind of the same range, but then between 22,000 and a little bit more, and 19,000. And Bitcoin right now is at 20,600 and it reached 21,000 yesterday. That's not the top of the range. While I do expect Bitcoin to actually get up to that top of the range at 22,000 or 22,500. So what would happen with Ethereum then? Because of the correlation, I think Ethereum actually has a chance to have some sort of a bullish breakout. Where let's just say we need to break 1275. What I always said is that we would need to break 1300, which is obviously the psychological resistance level above that. I'd say 20 or 1275 is enough. If we actually are able to break above 1275, I think we could get a move all the way up to 1400. But this only works if Bitcoin actually gets up towards 22,000 and 22,500. If that happens, I think Ethereum actually has a fair chance at doing this. Obviously, the big criteria being breaking above 1275. So it's definitely not guaranteed, but it's possible. And I think at this point of time, compared to these other local tops we made, I think this has been the best time to actually do it if you purely look at the technicals. I mean, if you look at the fundamentals, it's not, right? I mean, inflation rate is high, interest rates probably going up by 100 basis points. But yeah, the crypto market sometimes is weird in that way. So just wanted to throw that in there as well. As I said, I still think, if I just think about it rationally, I still think this is the most likely scenario, but we do have a possibility or at least some chance to do this. And there are some statistics and some arguments to be made in favor of that too. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Ethereum for now. So if you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.